The last small point is mainly to remind everyone of some precautions when writing functions. First of all, this point summarizes some corresponding examples between FindBI functions and Excel functions. You can click to have a look. Many users of FindBI might be more familiar with using Excel, and in fact, FindBI functions and Excel functions have some similarities and differences. You'll need to pay attention to these differences and understand their corresponding relationships. Next, we need to pay attention to the usages of FindBI functions. For example, the fields in our formulas should not be manually entered. As you can see from my demonstration earlier, it is possible to manually enter, but when you do so, it will match the field. You must either select the field or choose it from the field box on the left. Here, it is important to note that the fields we add appear in blue, while those in black are invalid and cannot retrieve data from the field. However, if you manually enter the field without selecting it, it won't work. Remember, the fields and functions we use are in blue. The second thing to note is that, in FindBI functions, when you make modifications or add calculation fields and formula columns, it essentially means you are assigning values. Therefore, you don't need to input an equal sign. Inputting an equal sign is incorrect. You don't need it.